On September 25th, Bill Cosby was sentenced to 3 to 10 years in prison for sexual assaults. See the first photos of former actor as he prepares to start his jail sentence. Bill Cosby, 81, is headed to prison. The legendary comedian was convicted on 3 counts of aggravated assault, indecent assault, this spring against former Temple University employee Andrea Constand in 2004. The actor's celebrity status did not help his sentencing after Judge Stephen O'Neill insisted that equal justice under the law means Cosby should not be sentenced differently based on who he is or who he was, said in court. Now, the first images of Cosby starting handcuffs have emerged as he prepares for his service 3 years to 10 years in prison. Bill Cosby was looking solemn as he walked out of the courthouse following his sentencing. In a white collared shirt and suspenders, he exited the building with a band of police trailing behind him, one officer closely gripping his arm as he led him to the door. Bill Cosby kept his eyes close to the floor during his exit, avoiding eye contact with onlookers. Let's take a look at this picture once again. See you guys later.